assume that national awards or state awards are announced. Cinema awards, national awards or cinema awards announced. Then immediately there are couple of actors will come into the picture. Actually, for my acting, I have to get the award. Okay, there is a full politics is there in the while giving the award. That's why I didn't get this award. Otherwise, I'm eligible, man. I'm the great. My acting has to get the award. Like, how many times, how many people, sir, spoken like that?
Multiple times.
Multiple times. If you are seeing the newspapers after awards announcement, at least 2 to 3 members, top people again. These members will come into the picture saying, "Arey, I didn't get the award because the politics. I didn't get the award because the money play the games." Like, they are very dull. They are going to tell. Next, the people who got the award, he's going to keep in the newspaper. He's going to keep on giving the interviews. He's keep on celebrating with the family members. So I got the award. That's why just this celebration. I got the award. That's why this ceremony. Wonderful. That's what you people should aware. Everyone eagerly waiting for appreciation. Remember that. So in day to day, every day we are seeing such type of stories, right? In the newspaper.